Channel. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can withdraw your money from your piggyvest account directly to your bank account. So we'll be heading straight up to account here. So we'll come to this place, this account here, and we'll click on it. You can see withdraw funds, this place. So now we'll click on it, and then I want to withdraw from my piggy bank. I don't want to withdraw from my flex balance, so I'll withdraw from my piggy bank. That's here, this place. So now when I click on it, my next withdrawal date is 30th of September. That's ending of this month, meaning that if I should withdraw money now, I'm not service fee. So let me show you. See, there will be a 2.5% breaking fee, because this is not yet time for me to withdraw. But if I'm withdrawing on the 30th of September, there will be no percentage. There will be nothing like breaking fee. I'll withdraw my money without any fee. So now this is what I'll do. I will tap on generate OTP. That's this place. And I'll click on it. Then I've seen it. I'll go out, click on this button, and then I'll come to this place. I want to withdraw 10,000 naira, because in this account the minimum you can withdraw is 3,000 naira, but I want to withdraw 10,000. So where do I want them to remove the fee from? They should remove it from my balance, my wallet balance. You see, they have sent me the code. Amarachi, your piggyvest security code is. So I'll copy the code, and then I'll come to this place. This is the place I generated the code, and I'll paste it here. Then now I'll just put in my password. I've put in my password. So naturally, I was supposed to withdraw on my withdrawal date, what you will see here is withdraw and not break, because this account is trying to help you save. So what you see here is withdraw and not break, but because I'm withdrawing before time, I'll click on break, because that is what I will see here. So you see, Amarachi, if today is not your withdrawal day, you might be charged 2.5% fee on the amount you're trying to withdraw now. For example, if you're withdrawing 10,000, your breaking fee will be 250 naira. I will confirm. Can you see? Your withdrawal was successful. Amount 10,000, penalty fee of 250. So now I've made my withdrawal. Let me refresh this page. Can you see? So now I will head straight up to my email address to show you that the money has entered my account. Can you see? I just got credited now. Can you see? 10,000 naira from piggy bank. Can you see it? Piggyvest. Can you see it from piggyvest? You can withdraw your money anytime. You don't have restriction and all that. It's just that the platform is meant for you to withdraw. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And please share the video to those who need it. Thank you so much. I love you all.